All right, here's my 2002 Mustang GT. It's got a 2.1 liter Kennebell Supercharger, custom ground boost cams, headers, Bassani X pipe, Borla Catback. It's like Borla mufflers welded in with some tips. It's lowered, drilled and slotted rotors. FR 500 wheels, 18 by 10 and a halfs in the rear. It's got 50,700 and some change miles on it. Not a single light on the dash or anything. Everything shuts perfect. Paint basically perfect. It's got a carbon fiber cowl hood on it. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood on it real quick. It's currently on about 8.5, 9 pounds of boost with the cams. The cams lower the boost a little bit, so with stock cams it'd probably be more about 10 pounds of boost. The car Dyno'd 459 rear horsepower on this pulley setup, exactly how it is. Only difference that has been changed is an H pipe to the Bassani X pipe. So